Assalamualaikum students of class 6. Lesson 1, the poem Mother to Son by Langston Hughes. Let's continue our lesson with exercise work, page 4, part B, working with words. Here the question number 1 is, find all the non-standard words used in the poem, write them out along with their correct meaning and form. Don't forget to list all the words with an apostrophe. So students, as I have told you all in the previous lecture, that in this poem poet has used some non-standard words. So in this first question we have to make a list of all of those words and then we need to mention their correct form. So here I've mentioned all those words. Let's identify non-standard words and then learn about their correct form. Eyes, I have. Ain't, has not. It can also be used for am not or are not. Sit down, sit down. I'll, I shall. Don't, do not. Going, going. Cause, because. Climbing, climbing. Turning, turning. Kinder, kind of. So in the poem, poet actually used these non-standard words to show the language of natives. These are the correct forms of those words. Note it down. Moving on to the question number 2, write these sentences using standard and grammatically correct English. Here we have these sentences where some of the non-standard words are used and they are also grammatically incorrect. So we need to use a standard and grammatically correct English. As you can see that all of these words are grammatically and non-standard words and grammatically incorrect. So let's rewrite all of these sentences using standard and grammatically correct English. I was expecting a friend for dinner. I am expecting a friend for dinner. So here we have mentioned the correct form of these words. The next sentence is, I have been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. I have been waiting at this bus stop for 1 hour. I ain't going to the cinema tonight. I am not going to the cinema tonight. They've been kinder sleepy today. They have been kind of sleepy today. She stayed at home cause she was ill. She stayed at home because she was ill. You ain't doing this at all if you find it's too difficult to do now. In this final sentence, we can see that there are a lot of words which are non-standard and which are grammatically incorrect. So let's do it. You are not. For ain't, we have used are not here. Doing this at all if you find it too difficult to do now. So, students, this is your solved exercise. You can note it down on your notebooks or your books. That was all for today. Thank you so much.